we can attach. So here x, because here we need x, so minus 5x, then now plus 3x, then now that equals 2. So equals 2. So minus of plus is minus, then now we have to subtract from 5 minus greater minus this, that is 5 minus 3 equals to 2x. Then now greater one is of negative. So here 5 is greater than 3, greater one is of negative. So here negative sign will be assessed here, that is the middle term. So here, so x square can be splitted as x into x. So we have to write it vertically. So x into x is nothing but x square, whereas here also we have to write vertically. So 15 can be written as 5 into 3. So 5 3s is of 15. So here we have assessed the sign of this 5 as negative and the sign of 3 as positive. Then now by cross multiplying, so here by cross multiplying, since this is the cross method, so we have to cross multiply. So here plus 3 into x as plus 3x, then now minus 5 into x as minus 5x. Then now that is equals to, by simplification, so here I am plus into minus is minus, by subtracting greater minus this, 5 minus 3 is of 2x, greater one is 5, then 3, so here greater one sign is of minus, so I am getting the middle term minus 2x. Then now writing the factors, so directly we can add the factors. So here therefore x square minus 2x minus 15 is equals to. So here while writing the factors, we have to write the factors horizontally. So here first factor will be of x minus 5 and the next factor will be of x plus 3, that is horizontally. So in this manner I say we can factorize the Monic quadratic or even any quadratic polynomial by means of the method called cross method. So x square minus 2x minus 15 is equals to x minus 5 into x plus 3. So here hence x minus 5 and x plus 3 are the factors of Monic quadratic expression, that is x square minus 2x minus 15. So in the similar manner, let us perform one more example. So now that is example number, one more example. Factorize x to the power of 4 minus 20 x square y square plus 4 by the 4. So here the solution starts. In order to simplify or in order to find out the factors of the Monic, so here the expression so let us factorize x to the power of 4 minus 20 x square y square plus 64 y to the power of 4. In order to factorize, so we have to split the middle term as, so here 20 can be written as, so here 64, that is the last term, that is 64 can be written as 16 4s or 64. I can write it as, so I need minus 20, so here 16 is of negative sign and 4 is of negative sign, minus of minus is plus, so I will be getting, we have to add up the two terms, 16 plus 4 is of 20, so among these two greater one is 16, its sign is of minus sign, so in this manner I will be getting minus 20. So instead of what I say here minus 20 x square y square, we can write it as minus 16 x square y square and minus 4 x square y square. So here that implies x to the power of 4, so I am going to split this minus 20 as minus 16 x square y square, then now minus 4 x square y squares. Then last term is written as it is, that is 64 y to the power of 4. Here minus of minus will be plus, we have to add up. 16 plus 4 is of 20, that is x square y squares. Among these two, the greater one is of, to assess the sign of 20. So 16 and 4, among 16 and 4, 16 is greater, its sign is of negative, so here negative sign will be assessed. So here minus 20 x square y square can be split as minus 16 x square y square minus 4 x square y square by utilizing this last term, that is 64 of the coefficient of y power 4. Can be split as 16 4s are 64. In order to get what I say 20, we can add up either by adding or subtracting, we must get 20. So here by adding we will be getting 20. So here the sign must be of negative. So greater one must be of negative. So here if we take negative sign, then only we will be getting as here minus 20. So therefore, so that implies so x to the power of 4 can be written as x square whole square. So a power m whole power n, m into n, 2 2 is of 4, minus 16 x square y square written as it is. Then now minus 4 x square y square also written as it is. Then now plus 64 then y to the power of 4 can be written as y square whole square. So a power m whole power n, a power m into n, that is 2 into 2, as y to the power of 2 2 as 4. So here I have utilized that identity, that is, since a power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n identity. So here it is of a power m into n, so it is of y power 4 split as m and n, so here 2 into 2. Then now the next logical step will be of, out of the first two terms, that is x square whole square and 16 x square y square. So your x square term is repeatedly multiplied twice here. So I want to take x square as common among the first two terms under the first group. When one x square is taken as common, one more x square will be left over inside. That is x square into x square is of x to the power of x square repeatedly multiplied twice. X square into x square as x square whole square. Or in other words, x to the power of 2 2s is 4. So here minus x square is taken outside, therefore only 16 and as well as y square is left over within the bracket. Among these two terms, that is the next one, among the next two terms, third and fourth terms, so here I can take minus sign as common. Then now 4, 16 can be written as 64 can be written as 16 4s are. So I can take a, say here I mean 4 as common and even, so 1 y square as common, because y square is the least here. So here 4 is taken as common and 1 y square also taken as common. So here then the term which is inside the bracket will be of minus 4 taken out as common and 4 and y square as taken out as common, only x square is left over within the bracket. Since minus sign is taken as common, the sign inside the bracket will be changed. Instead of positive it will be of negative. So we can check up now, minus of minus will be of positive plus. So here 4 number of times, so here 4 number of times is 16, 4 16s is 64. So we can write 4 into 16 is 64. Out of y square is here repeated 2 times. So 1 y square is taken as common and 1 more y square will be left over inside. So 4 16s is of 64, y square into y square is of y square whole square, which is nothing but y to the power of 4. Out of these two terms, so here x square minus 16y square and second here x square minus 16y square. So here this x square minus 16y square will be common in these two terms. So I want to take, so here x square minus 16y square as common now. When this bracket is taken as common, so only x square is left over in the bracket. When this x square minus 16y square is taken as common, so minus 4y square is left over within the brackets. Then now, so that implies in the first bracket I want to write it as x square as x whole square minus 16 can be written as 4 into 4, 4 4s is 16, or in other words we can write it as 4 square. 4 square as 4 4 16. Then now y square as y square itself. Then now bracket x square can be written as x whole square minus 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 square 2 2s is of 4. Then y square written as it is. That implies x whole square minus, so here the exponents are similar, we can write it as 4y whole to the power of 2 bracket close. So here I applied the identity, that is, so here a b whole power m, that is equals to a power m into b power m. So here a power m into b power m is of 4 power 2 into y power 2. Exponents are same here. Here also the exponents are same and each is equals to 2. And the bases are a and b and the bases are 4 and y. We can write as the result as a into b as to the power of m. So here 4 into y whole to the power of similar term, similar exponent, that is m. Here the similar exponent is of only 2. Then the next bracket can be written as x whole square minus, the same principle will be applied here. So we can write it as 2y whole to the power of similar base is 2, bracket close. Here I have utilized this reason, based upon this reason. So here I wrote this logical step. Then now these two brackets are in the form of a square minus b square form. Here also second bracket is also in the similar manner, a square minus b square. So I am going to apply that identity, that is, we know that a square minus b square can be written as, so a plus b into a minus b. So by applying this identity to the previous logical step, that is, x square minus 4y whole square into x square minus 2y whole square. So that implies x square minus x whole square minus 4y whole square into x whole square minus 2y whole square is equals to, so here a is of x and b is of 4y in the first bracket. So I want to write the product. So here a plus b into a minus b. So here its resultant will be of a plus b, that is a is equals to, in the first case I say here, so here I want to write here, so here comparing a as x in the first bracket and b as 4y in the first case. Then in the next case, so here a as x, then now here b as 2y. So in case number 1, the product will be of a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, so a is of x plus b is of 4y into a minus b. So here a is of x minus b is of 4y, minus 4y, bracket close. Then now second bracket open, then the second case. So here x square minus 2y whole square. So here a is of, in order to write x square minus 2y whole square in its expansion, it is similar to, x square minus 2y whole square is similar to a square minus b square. A is of x and b is of 2y. Then now here in its expansion, a plus b. So a is of x plus b is of 2y into a minus b. A is of x minus b is of 2y. Say in this manner, there are of 4 factors, then that is equals to, one is of x plus 4y, second one is of x minus 4y, third one is of x plus 2y, fourth factor is of x minus 2y. Because the expression is of 4th degree, so here it consists of 4 factors. So here hence x to the power of 4 minus 20x square y square plus 64y to the power of 4 can be written as, since it is of 4th degree, the highest degree is of 4, so 2 plus 2 is of 4, here also of 4. So it consists of 4 factors. The first factor is of x plus 4y, the second factor is of x minus 4y, third factor as x plus 2y, then the last factor, that is the fourth factor, as x minus 2y. So in this manner we got these as the 4 factors of the given polynomial or the given quadratic given polynomial, that is x to the power of 4 minus 20x square y square plus 64y to the power of 4.